Alright, so I got some work done on Katie's Rambler here, Mildred. So just your basic 871 blower. It's got dual 4s and a Hillborn style intake scoop on it. It's running pretty cold though. Alright guys, so this is a bit of a different video. I figured I would just dig through the pre-SlickWorks archives on the computer, and I found a whole bunch of video clips, just different burnouts and just weird car stuff. So I've put together a little compilation of all the video clips, and once that's done, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on in the SlickWorks land. Because the channel's gonna be a little bit quiet, and I'm gonna need you guys to bear with me. There's gonna be a whole lot of automotive stuff coming back at you in a little while here, but as you can see, there's cardboard boxes stacked up behind me and parts and stuff that's gone away or getting ready to go away for now, because there is big things in the world of SlickWorks. Hang tight, let's get right to the live action. There we go. You over there? You over there, man? That's a little more like it.
Yeah, man, just here working on some pretty sweet rides. That's a hot rod right there, man. And over here, you'll never guess what we got over here. That's right. Another hot rod, man. Yeah.
Wreck the hot rod? Okay. There you go. Man, took a major blow with GM's new logo. Here's my take on it, all right? You ready? General Motors, a maker of fine American automobiles. GM eco-friendly, LOL, hashtag who needs gas? Pretty amazing, right? Grab the steering wheel. I just picked up this car and I said it's a Miura. And Elsie said, is that a Miura? Mm-hmm. What is it though?
It's a Lamborghini.
Okay, so that's all the video clips that I got. I gotta talk to you guys about what's gonna be happening with the SlickWorks channel moving forward. Well, 2020 ended off with a bit of a financial punch to the gut. We had the septic system backed up into the basement and I said, darn it. And then the septic pump truck came 7 hours later than he said he was gonna come, and he showed up with a full tank, so he didn't really do much. So I said, darn it! And then the very next day, after not being able to flush our toilets or use any drains in the house for 24 hours, we had a huge limb come down off our maple tree, took out our weatherhead, the meter box, the power line, the internet, and I said, darn it! And then I found out that BC Hydro wouldn't cover the repairs because it happened on our side of the property and not out by the street. So I had to hire a power line contractor, and I said, you guessed it.
I thought we were done for 2020 and piling up to my plate. I've had enough. Can't this year just be finished?
And then I said, darn it. The channel's actually gonna be kind of mellowing out for a little bit. Just gonna let the channel marinate. The whole shop's actually gonna be redone. So I'm gonna be insulating and finishing all the walls because I'd actually like to open up a business down here. Obviously, I'm gonna film the entire process of insulating the whole shop and getting the electrical done, new compressor, everything. It's gonna be a really nice place to work. I mean, it's January right now and I can see my breath as I'm talking to you guys, and from my hand talking, because it's YouTube and that's just what you do when you film yourself talking to the camera, my fingers are starting to freeze. So we're gonna get heat up there. I'm thinking maybe like a roll-up bay door or something. It's just, I want it to be a nice place to work so I can start up a business. You guys are gonna learn all about that once we're getting close to the completion date. Just wanted to give you an update if you're wondering why the channel has been so mellowed out these days, because there's a lot on the go. And yeah, I'd like to take you guys with me and experience that, but it's gonna be a while before I post the next video. So hang tight. If you'd like more regular updates on the channel, feel free to join the Facebook group, SlickWorks Official at Facebook. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And remember, if you ain't giving her, you ain't living her. Stay tuned for more SlickWorks, fast, cheap junk. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start up a new business. It's gonna make millions selling nothing but balloons. I mean, everybody needs balloons.